This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook string beans. First, select firm, vibrant green beans without blemishes or soft spots, ensuring they snap cleanly when bent. Rinse them thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt. Next, trim off the tough stem ends by either snapping them by hand or using a small paring knife. You can leave the tail end on for a rustic look or trim it off for uniformity, preparing them for the next step in our cooking process. Blanching is a crucial step for achieving bright green, tender crisp string beans. Bring a pot of water, about 8 cups, to a rolling boil and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Carefully drop the prepared string beans into the boiling water and cook them for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Immediately transfer the beans to an ice bath, a bowl of ice water, to stop the cooking process. This preserves their vivid color and crisp texture before the final cooking stage, ensuring they are not overdone. Now, let's infuse our string beans with delicious flavor through sautéing. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Add 1 clove of minced garlic or a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and sauté for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Add the blanched string beans to the skillet and toss them gently. Cook for an additional 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are heated through and lightly tender, but still possess a delightful bite. Seasoning is where you can truly make these string beans your own. After sautéing, sprinkle them with a 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. For an extra touch, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, about 1 tablespoon, adds a bright zest. You could also toss them with toasted slivered almonds or a pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed, ensuring they are perfectly balanced and seasoned to your preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.